Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a second Roblox account. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and search it to Roblox. Go to this link. Look here, my Roblox dashboard. Look at the right corner. Tap onto setting icon. Click onto switch account. And showing here to add account. Click on. And click on to create a new account. And then showing here to new from. And you can easily create your new account. First select birthday, username, password, select a gender and then click on to sign up. Then successfully create a second Roblox account. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.